preparing your home for haemodialysis. Part of deciding if home haemodialysis is right for you is making sure that your home is suitable for dialysis. Most people can have haemodialysis at home, even if they live in a small house or flat. We will do our best to adapt home haemodialysis to meet your living arrangements. Before starting home haemodialysis, our home dialysis team will visit your home at a time that is suitable for you. We will need to make some adaptations to your home for the dialysis machine to operate. You need enough space at home for the dialysis machine, reverse osmosis machine, this purifies the water for dialysis, filter board, and dialysis supplies. Your home needs adequate electricity and a water supply with good water pressure for the dialysis machine to operate. Your home will need additional plumbing and drainage. The flooring where the dialysis machine and equipment will be located must be stable and even. We may lay non-slip water-resistant flooring under the dialysis machine. The dialysis machine and equipment is usually kept in a bedroom, especially for nocturnal, overnight dialysis, but it may be installed in the living room or another suitable room. Your home needs sufficient access to deliver the dialysis machine and regular dialysis supplies. There can be no landlord or tenant concerns. When you start home haemodialysis, we will provide the dialysis machine and equipment. The renal technicians will install, test, and program the equipment at a suitable time for you. The renal technician, electrician, and plumber will connect the electrics, water, and waste and test the water quality. We will do our best to adapt home haemodialysis to meet your living arrangements. People tell us that when the dialysis machine and other equipment and supplies arrive in the house, it feels very different, but it becomes normal for the whole household quite quickly. You can usually keep the dialysis machine and other equipment in 1 or 2 rooms, so most of your house will stay exactly the same as it was. If home haemodialysis is no longer needed, we will put your home back to the way it was. The dialysis supplies will be delivered to your home regularly, depending on what you need and how much storage space is available in your home. You will need to clean and disinfect the dialysis machine regularly. The home dialysis team will explain more about this. Home haemodialysis comes at no extra cost to you. There are no equipment installation or maintenance costs. You will be eligible for reimbursement of water and electricity bills. You may also be able to save on your council tax bills. Your home dialysis team can advise you on this. The renal technicians will service the dialysis machine regularly. Dialysis machines can look scary and complicated, but many people who have dialysis at home say the machines are no more complicated than using mobile phones or tablets once you get used to them. We don't expect you to be confident straight away. That's why our expert home haemodialysis team train you to use the dialysis machines and how to solve problems. The team will also support you at home when you need it. The dialysis machines have a lot of safety features, and you can have a personal alarm to keep you safe. If there is a fault with the machine, such as a leak, frozen pipes, or loss of water pressure, the technical team will fix the problem as soon as possible. They may be able to fix the problem straight away, but sometimes the machine will need to be repaired the next day. You can have an extra dialysis treatment at home or in the dialysis unit to catch up if needed. You will have 24-hour access to a doctor or nurse for any urgent medical problem. If you have any questions about the information in this video, or if you would like to learn more, speak to your renal team or visit our website.